Live Launch 2020 is the Accountrepreneurs Forum where we're going to be addressing on 5 areas of your business to ensure that you can actually work on your company effectively and build a business that you can be proud of. One key element of this process is going to be engaging and manifesting. It's amazing to me as I work with owners of accounting firms how often in their own minds it's very clear what they're trying to accomplish, but to materialize it, to actually make it happen, is a lot more difficult. What we're going to be focusing on, or one of the things that we're going to be emphasizing in this 2-day workshop, is what it is that you can do to be much more clear and deliberate as you're running your business to ensure that you're getting the quality clients that you want, that you're doing the work you enjoy, that you're getting paid what you're worth. This engage and manifest element is so important because oftentimes what happens is we get caught up in the work. We're working on things day after day, but at the end of the day, we're probably just spinning our wheels way too much. What this does is it ensures that at the end of the year, your business has become what you hoped and intended it to become, rather than you were just busy and doing a job. So join me here at the Accounting Forum. Actually come to this live launch to ensure that you actually make the most of this year and engage and manifest with your business. Become the leader you need to become so that you can offer the quality of services that you've intended to. With that, just keep this in mind. Accounting success is universal. So I invite you to this workshop, this live 2-day launch, and we're going to make the most of your business so that you can actually be in business for yourself, but not by yourself, because accounting success is universal. Take care.